In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can equip and unequip emotes here in Locked 2 on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but begin by actually opening up the menu. You can do this just by hitting the three dots up in the top left, and then from here hit the three little lines. And what you're going to want to do is look on here and find your inventory. Select inventory, and once you do open it up, you're going to see the emotes tab, the flow tab, MVPs, and maps as well. Go to emotes just like so, and essentially what you need to do is select and hold down on it. It's going to pop up at the page. It looks like this, and as long as it has a check mark, it's going to be equipped for you. Now, obviously, if you hold down on it again after it's checked, it's going to uncheck it, and that means it's going to be unequipped. But essentially, that's going to add it to an active emote slot. From here, you can back out of your menu, and of course, what you need to do now is just hit Y down, and it's going to open up your emote wheel, where you go ahead and select whatever it is that you just equipped, just like so, and you can start doing the emote. Now, if you want to change it or remove it, you just do the exact same thing, but that is it. If you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.